Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Priska Ruth. I am a YouTuber in Cameroon, based in the capital Yaoundé. So today it's a kind of a funny video. Yeah, I just want to show you guys how I usually suffer at times when it rains heavily in Yaoundé. I was just so lucky that this day I was at home, because if I wasn't there, then my chairs and everything would have, gotten soaked with water. Yeah, because at times when the kids are there, they actually don't know what to do. You see me trying to block the door. There's a little passage beneath the door. It was really hell this day for me. Yeah, but after some few hours, the rain actually stopped. Yeah, so just see how I how my day was like. Yeah, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, okay, and hit on the notification button, bell, so that you always get informed whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.
Just remove your shoe from there. Ah. Just remove it from there like that.